In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. We'll start from a fresh login and end with a fully structured space, complete with a ready-to-use template and the key views you'll rely on day to day. First, head to clickup.com and sign in. Choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to enter your workspace. Once you're in, create a new space. Think of a space as the top-level home for everything related to your software operations. Give it a clear, descriptive title so teammates instantly know what lives here, then click Continue and create space. This container is where your lists, docs, and views will live, so a thoughtful name and icon can go a long way for clarity and adoption. Open the space you just made, then go to Templates. In the search bar, type Software to find a template designed for planning, tracking, and collaborating around software work. Select it and click Use Template, then confirm Use Template again. While it loads, here's what you're getting: a pre-built structure with statuses, custom fields, and multiple views, like timelines and Gantt charts, so you can standardize processes and see priorities, owners, and schedules at a glance. Templates save setup time and ensure everyone follows the same playbook. Once it's ready, open the Getting Started guide inside the template. This quick tour explains the fields, statuses, and views provided, so you can tailor them confidently to your team's language and workflows. Next, open the Software Gantt project. The Gantt view lays out tasks and dependencies on a timeline, making it easy to spot bottlenecks and shift dates by dragging bars. Then switch to Software Gantt for a focused look at a specific slice of the work, ideal when you need to zoom into one stream without losing the visual schedule. Open Project Overview to see a concise hub for goals, milestones, and key links. Use this as your team's North Star and a place to anchor decisions. Move to By Status to review work grouped by status in a simple list arrangement, great for quick triage and ensuring nothing is stuck. Open Software Timeline to visualize how work spreads across weeks or months, perfect for release planning and cross-team coordination. Then check Workload to balance capacity. Here you can see who's overbooked, reassign tasks, and fine-tune due dates to keep the team sustainable. Finally, open Board. This drag and drop view is excellent for daily stand-ups and rapid prioritization. Move cards across columns to reflect progress and keep momentum visible to everyone. That's it. You've created a space, applied a template, and toured the essential views to organize your software stack in ClickUp.